Protein is one of the essential micronutrients which help to build and repair our body tissue. A major amount of the protein is obtained from the animal-based food product, but due to some special dietary requirement and high cost of the product, a large population is inclined toward the plant-based protein sources. In addition, plant-based protein is easily digestible and contain no cholesterol, which helps to reduce the risk factor for heart-related diseases. A major amount of the plant-based protein is obtained from the leguminous plant. Soya bean is one of the leguminous plant which contain a huge amount of the protein, approximately 36 to 50% of the protein. But the production of the soya bean is largely affected by the abiotic stress and drought condition. Hence, a drought tolerant variety of the soya bean, William 82, has been developed few years ago. Commercialization of this drought-tolerant variety of soybean could help to fulfill the plant-based protein requirement in very affordable price. So here in this project, W82 soybean has been used to develop W82 soya milk powder. First, W82 soybean has converted into the W82 soya milk. Then this soya milk is passed through the spray dryer at a controlled temperature, aspirator and feed rate and converted into the W82 soya milk powder. Total 18 run of the experiment was performed at 120 to 116 60 degrees Celsius of the inlet temperature, 80 to 100% of the aspirator and 10 to 20% of the feed rate. After collecting the powder from 18 experiment, its physical characterization has been done to validate the quality of the powder. So in physical characterization, solubility index, moisture content, color value, flow property, wettability, water activity, pH value has been recorded. After recording all the physical characterization data, best combination of the powder was obtained at 140 degrees Celsius inlet temperature, 90% aspirator, and 15% of the feed rate. All the experiment was designed by using response surface methodology and statistical analysis has been done by using fit model in JMP software. So this value added soya milk product can be used to produce reconstituted drinks such as soya milk, reconstituted beverages. Also, it can be used to produce tofu, soya yogurt, etc. Thank you.